We are here today to recognize and thank Ed Glynn for 20 years of service at Conveyer Caster, and the great news is we get to move his wheel on the Wall of Fame to the 20-year marker. Ed started in June of 2005, so we're super excited and love having you on board. Great team member. Thanks, Ed.
Congrats, Ed.
Thanks, Jeff. Thanks, Trevor. I started in the manufacturing world in industrial sales. And what was great about that is I got to work on the manufacturing side and the distributor side. So I worked on both before coming to Conveyor and Casters. I sold all types of equipment then, but I wasn't familiar with casters at the time. And that's when we started. In 20 years, it's been amazing, the transformation. When I got here, we were just selling casters and a few conveyors. We morphed into all types of material handling things, developed partnerships with manufacturers, and it was an awesome ride because we've changed from stick conveyors to automation. It's just been an awesome time to change our direction from the start to finish. Favorite part about working here is the people. Not only internally, we got great people that work for us and exciting and they like to come to work, we also have great customers. It's so much fun to go into a place like how it's made, the show, and to see how everything is made. We have an awesome area in Greater Cleveland and Northern Ohio that I work in that they make everything under the planet, from basketballs to steel.